How to fix Snapchat notification not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the Snapchat notification not working, you can try to check if you have enabled or granted the permission of Snapchat notification. Before that, ensure you are not in the DND, that is Do Not Disturb mode. Now once you have rest assured of it, you can open up your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll until you see the option of apps and tap on it. Click on all apps. In the all apps option, you need to search for Snapchat. Now over here, you can click on the notification option. Make sure this button right over here is toggled on, that is all Snapchat notification. So make sure if it is toggled off like this, just tap on it to toggle it on or just click on enable. After which you can actually adjust what kind of Snapchat notification you want, such as snaps and chat, typing and much more. If this does not work, there might be a glitch or a bug issue. To fix it, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.